Hi everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to do some cow jobs with the old tractor, the little one, the little Volvo, because our big tractor, the case, is in the workshop getting upgraded. We are getting a proper front loader installed, but that means we have to do the cow jobs, so moving bales of straw for bedding with this tractor and mucking out with this tractor. So first of all, today now we're going to switch the pallet forks for the big bucket and see if we can scoop up all the poop on the outside where the cows live. So let's get to work. I'm a bit out of breath because we are a bit under the weather and we had 2 piglets escaping this morning already, so we had to fix that first, and now we're getting into the cow jobs. Let's go. All the cows have laid down to rest. They don't really give a damn right now about us mucking out here. It's taking a while. Usually they stand by the gate and wait to get back out, because they're very curious, and with the big tractor, the case, it usually goes a lot faster, but good thing they are chillaxing. Time to try and unload this second load. See how it goes. It's not the easiest thing in the world. The little tractor is working very, very hard. We have a very curious cow here. Hey, modig. Hey. Hey. Do you want petsies? Do you want petsies? Yes. She wants petsies. Petsies. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Are you very curious? You want to get out here and poop it down again? So this is as clean as we could get it today. I know there's still some muck over there and it's very wet on that end, but the rest we managed to get fairly clean. It was quite a hassle to do with the little tractor. This is clean enough for now, but with the little tractor, since it can't bend, you know, like this, the bucket, then we had to adjust it by hand for every time we were backing it up and filling it, and then every time we emptied it. So it was quite a hassle, and we are really looking forward to getting our big case tractor back with the new front loaders installed, because then this job and like every other farm job will be so much easier. And we are quite exhausted now, so the bedding on the inside there we're going to do tomorrow, so that will be the next part of the video, but for now we gotta go and rest. It is now Sunday morning and time to do the second part of the cow jobs for this weekend. So we're going to bed up with some fresh straw for the cows. But first we gotta get this tractor started. So let's see if it wants to start today. That did not sound very good. Let's see. I have to go find Michael and see what's wrong.
Wait.
We have power! Come on, cow. Let's go outside. Come on.
Woody.
Spännande. Upp med dig. Upp. Out. Let's go. Du kan gå och bajsa samtidigt. Kom igen, Moby. Häng på. Let's go. Ska jag gå ut från också på den här? So that's it for this video. Our little tractor has worked very hard to get these jobs done. We usually use the big tractor, but as I said before, it's in the workshop getting upgraded. Usually these cows jump around a lot more when they get new straw, but today we put some old silage in the really wet spot by the door, and they are mostly interested in eating that. So that's it. But they will be happy and dry in here, so that's good.